Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back, and today we are going to install the rear spoiler. Let's fix it and watch the video till end to know the price and all. So guys, we are fixing the spoiler now, the rear spoiler, you can see.
नट खोलना ही पड़ेगा इसका, स्क्रैच लग जाएगा। स्क्रू खोल दो पहले। स्पाइलर पहले बैठा लो सर, दोनों साइड से ले बदल स्क्रू ड्राइवर से उसे टाइट करिए इधर। टाइट कर बात सही कर टाइट कर। फुल टाइट कर। तो पकड़ ऐसे और टाइट होगा बटन। हाँ और टाइट होगा, इसलिए वैसे नहीं होगा दूसरा। और क्या हिस्सा लगाने होगा?
So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Now let's discuss about the price. The spoiler costed me 2,300 rupees. I bought it from JC Road. Yeah, I will try to add the location where from I bought. I will add the location in the description. Now let's discuss. People may ask me why you didn't install the Batman spoiler. Okay, so I want my car to look in a stock condition, so I didn't choose Batman spoiler. I wanted the company type OEM type spoiler. That's why I choose the OEM type spoiler. And yeah, there are a lot of different type of spoilers. It's depend on you which one you like. Okay, there are always two types of people. One who want their car to look in a stock condition, and another one who will modify their car. And yeah, always listen to your heart, don't listen to anyone else, because the soul satisfaction is very important, what I'll feel. So guys, if you want an OEM spoiler, company OEM spoiler, the original one, genuine one, so I will add the link in the description. You can purchase it online. The OEM one, it will cost around 7 to 8,000. It's a little bit costly. So if you want an OEM spoiler, then you can click the link below. So all the beautiful work done in this beautiful workshop called Motor Rhythm. They didn't charge me any single rupees to install the spoiler and other accessories as well. So I will add the link in the description as well, so you can visit here. In my previous episode, I did a facelift of this Polo. If you haven't watched the video is available on the screen. Click it and watch it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. a lot of episodes are going to come, and each and every episode is going to be, crazy episodes. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Meet you all in my next video. Till that, take care.